Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just add a PayPal donation button. So to do that, you have to just go to this site. You have to just log in or sign up this site, Elf site. Then you have to click on this button, widget. Then you have to search here as PayPal. Then as you can see, PayPal button. Just click on this. So you have to click on this, create widget. So as you can see, here is the option of edit widget. If you just like edit widget, you have to just click here and use this template. So it is used for donation. So you have to excel your email. I'm adding my email. This is my Gmail, as you can see. So I have to do donation, type of donation, like you can select as fixed or optional. You can select this and just redirect it after the payment is successful. Redirected link, you can just add to a site. They will give you an embedded code. So just like it saving your widget, and you can see here you have to select a plan. So as you can see here is our template ready. You have to click on this button, publish. So changes are published. So as you can see here, pricing, they will give you a plan. So you have to select a free plan from here, from light, as you can see. So as you can see now, just you have to copy this code and just go to your website, and like example you can go to a Wix or Squarespace or any website and just paste it, and just you can ask for donation in your site. So if you find this video helpful, then please make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.